What's the meaning of back burner? Back burner. Back burner.
Back burner. Back burner. The term back burner typically refers to something that has been postponed or put aside for a later time. It's often used in a business context, where a project or task may not be a top priority and is therefore placed on the back burner. The metaphorical back burner suggests that the item is still being considered and may be revisited in the future, but for now it's not receiving immediate attention. This strategy can be useful for managing workload and priorities, allowing individuals or organizations to focus on more pressing matters while still keeping non-urgent tasks in mind for later consideration.